Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Towers of Aghasba game is not launching on your PC. Guys, first solution is try DirectX 11 or 12 command on leave crash on startup. So first open up the Steam, then just click on the game which is Tower of Aghasba, then just click on the gear icon and go to your game properties. Now here you will see the launch option, and in the launch option just type -tx11. Once you type it, now launch the game, then check problem is 6 or not. If your game is not launching, then just type here -tx12. Now launch the game, then check. Still not launching, then just type here -t3d11. Now launch the game, then check problem is 6 or not. Still not launching, then just remove this launch option and just uncheck the box of Steam overlay while in game. Then launch the game, then check. Still not launching, then just go to the install files, click on the verify integrity of game files. It will take some time, so just wait for it, then simply restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. If your game is still not launching, then just click on the browse option you are seeing on the top. Guys, here in this folder, simply locate your game launcher or exe file of your game. So make a right click on your game launcher and go to its properties. Then go to the compatibility tab, and here just uncheck this box and also uncheck this box and just check the box of administrator. Then just click on the apply option. Now launch the game, then check. Still not launching, then just check the box of disable force in optimization. Then click on apply. Now launch the game, then check. Still not launching, then just check the box of compatibility mode and choose here the Windows 8. Now click on apply. Now launch the game, then check. Guys, if your game is still not launching, then just close it and go to your Windows search and just type here the update. Once you type the Windows update, simply open it. Guys, simply update your Windows and also make sure that your graphic card drivers are up to date. So once you update your Windows or graphic card drivers, restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Now try all of the solution and see which work for you, and I hope one of these fix your problem. And if yes, please like this video, and bye bye and take care.